Hello viewers, you are welcome to another brand new edition of balancing of chemical equation. Now today we want to balance what we call ionic equation. Remember, in chemistry, in chemical equation, we have three major types of equation. We have molecular equation, we have ionic equation, and we have redox equation. Have you learned how to balance all of them? Then if you have not, just quickly go into Ojemai YouTube channel, Ojemai TV, just type the Ojemai TV. You will see all how to balance molecular equation, how to balance redox equation, and today we want to balance ionic equation. Now the ionic equation we want to balance sodium hydroxide react with HCl will give you what? Sodium chloride and what? And water. This is a neutralization what? Reaction. Now it's a ion. Ion means charges. Remember, we have negative ion and we have what? Positive ion. That is anion and what? Cation. We want to balance this ionic equation. This equation is simple molecular equation. You get that? It is a correct balancing of what? Molecular equation. We want to change this molecular equation into ionic equation. How do we balance it? Follow me. We have the reactant. This is the reactant, and we have the what? The product. Now, what you have to do, you have to split the reactant. The ions of the reactant split the ions of the product. Firstly, this is the reactant. Have sodium hydroxide will ionize. All right, will ionize. That will split to give you what? Na plus the ion of sodium is +1. Plus what? OH. The ion of hydroxide is what? -1. We are done with that one. We now come to HCl. Now go to HCl. We ionize to give you what? H here is +1. Do you get that? Plus Cl here is what? -1. These are what we call ions. This thing that I'm writing here are called what? Ions. Okay. Now you now go to the product. This is the product. The next thing here is sodium chloride. NaCl will give you what? Sodium here will ionize to give you what? Sodium. Look at the same thing here, and what we have what? Chlorine ion. Do you get that? Now go to water. Water does not undergo ionization. Do you get that? Water is so water does not undergo ionization. Okay, so now we now allow water to be there. Now what we are going to do next? Listen, you are going to carry the ions of the reactant and keep one side, and you now react with the ion of the product. This is ions of the reactants. You get that? So we are now going to rearrange it. Now the first thing you are seeing here is Na plus. The next thing is what? Plus OH minus. This is HCl. This is the one of ionization of HCl. Plus H plus what? This Cl. We have Cl minus. Will now react to give what? Sodium chloride ion. Sodium chloride ion. This is sodium chloride ion. Will give what? Na plus Cl minus. You get that? Plus, you are going to include it because H2O. H2O. Do you get that? Now, the next thing you are going to do is to cancel the spectators ion. The spectators what? Ion. Spectators ion are those ones that are occur at both sides. We have the left hand side and the right hand side. Which ion occur at the both sides? We have sodium here occur here. Sodium occur here. This is the product and this is what? The reactant. So you have to cancel the sodium. Cancel this one. Cancel your one because it appear in both sides. Are you following? Now the next thing, check the one that occur on both sides. We have chlorine here occur here. Chlorine here occur here. You cancel it. So which one is left? Hydroxide here, there is no hydroxide. So the one that are left is what? We have H, you write H first, plus OH minus will give you what? It give you H2O. So now this is our ionic equation. Now check whether that ionic equation is correct. You have to check the number of atoms that are in that ionic equation. Check the number of charges that are in that equation. Do you get that? Now let's go to the atoms. This is what we call atom. Hydrogen ion. Hydrogen here is what? Hydrogen here is what? Do you have one hydrogen here? We have hydrogen. So hydrogen is what? 2. Do you get that? Oxygen here is how many? Oxygen is equal to what? 1. Now go to the product. Hydrogen here is equals to, how many hydrogen are here? Oxygen atom is what? 1. So oxygen here is 1, oxygen here is 1, hydrogen here is 2, hydrogen here is 2. So molecule are what? The same, so it is balanced. We now go to ions. Now go to hydrogen has how many ion? Has a plus 1. This oxygen, where this one we have what? Minus what? 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equals to what? 0. We are looking at the charges. We are now calculating the charge, so it's 0. We now come here. This one does not have any charge, so H2O does not have any charge, so it's equals to what? 0. So here is 0, here is 0. Here we have here the molecule are what? The same. That is, the atom are the same and the charges are what? The same. So this is our correct balancing of ionic equation. Do you get that? Correct balancing of ionic equation. Now, as a good student, let me give you the one that you do so that you drop it on the comment section. Nitrate plus what? H2O. Balance this one. Drop it on the comment section. Don't forget, this is Ojemai YouTube channel. Or you can as well follow us on Facebook on Ojemai Online Chemistry. Please share this video, like and comment. Thank you very much.